Hey guys, if you watched today's earlier video, I said Aaron would be doing an unboxing of something he's wanted. So here he is, and he's gonna grace us with his presents and show us the surprise. He just got back from helping somebody set up an incubator, as a matter of fact.
Some black rubbers.
Do you know what it is?
There's another black rubber. Oh, these are great. This is like Christmas morning. Oh, some more black rubbers. Look.
I can't even deal with it.
What do you know? You guessed it. More black rubbers.
Are you gonna tell him what it actually is, or just pretend like it's black rubber?
Oh, it's just a bunch of black rubbers. Well, they didn't package the box very well for an unboxing video.
That's the fun, is getting to the treasure inside.
But this is where we got it from.
That is Cutler Supply. They have birds and bees.
Are we getting closer? Oh, here's one fully assembled.
So if you haven't guessed what it is yet, Aaron, why don't you tell him what it actually is?
It is a beehive.
Yes, he's finally got the beehive he's been talking about forever.
That's only appropriate if I suit up. Because I am allergic to bees.
I don't think he's an allergic as in the die right away allergic.
No, I just swell up pretty fast.
You want to pop that on for us so we can see your new bee suit?
Oh yeah, let's see. I don't know if I can fit it. So if I can't fit it, it'll be quite embarrassing.
It's Friday night, y'all. He's had a long week at work, so he's got jokes.
Oh, I can sleep in this thing.
Nice.
Also comes with this good book.
We do need a good book.
I'll make Christina read it. Since that's not the funnest part of it.
I'm gonna borrow that suit to go to the beach so I don't get stung by the sand flies.
Here's a feeder, 3 bees, hive tool.
So how long have we been researching bees?
For years.
And why have we not done bees?
Because you're terrified.
That's correct. I'm terrified of having a beehive.
There, I can take the suit off.
Yeah, you can take the suit off.
Okay.
It was just amusing me for a few minutes.
Yeah, it was kind of fun. It wasn't as constricting as I thought it would be. So, that looks like a top.
He is also going to put this together for us so we can see what that looks like.
So, I might read the instructions.
We ordered it on Sunday, and today's Friday, and it came in. That was quick. I feel like you should. I feel like you should read the instructions.
Yeah. I think I'll read the instructions. Just on this one time.
Just one project?
Yes. cotton bags. I know that from all my research of them. And here's size.
I'll go ahead and now take a picture of the catalog page. They do have a website, and you can see it's basically a beginner kit that we ordered. It came with everything you need to start, including your basic tools and a bee suit. And then Aaron ordered an extra super. See, he knows the terminology. I don't. This is going to be his project. I'm too scared of the bees.
So, looks like we're in luck because there are no instructions in the box.
Oh.
So, I'll do like I do everything else in life and just wing it.
Just gonna wing it. Alright. Well, I'm gonna pause this video for a second and we are gonna see about winging it and videoing the construction. If not, we'll just
wing it.
Wing it. Yep.
Yeah, just wing it.
So we forgot to open the other box, but it's the bee smoker. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to film him building it. But I'll probably just go ahead and fast forward that part for you, just in case there's some select language involved.
It should not be hard. Look, we have these nails that they provided. Don't need them.
All the other men are particular about their nails too?
Yeah, this is the main thing. Yeah, this is starting out swell.
Yeah?
Not needed.
What do you mean not needed?
I don't want anybody to see me reading the instructions.
It's okay to read instructions. There's nothing to be embarrassed about.
So I'm putting the side pieces on the bottom board.
Lane came stop and visit us.
You want to come nail it?
You wanna wave?
Nope. making sure the different thicknesses on each side, making sure they are the same before we nail it. The instructions are pretty easy. Whoa. So this is going to be a top piece. These are side pieces. And this is a bottom piece. So Dad is going to do this right here for you. And I'm going to come like this. Yes, sir. Make sure it's in the groove. The wide part on the top, stick it in that way. Oh. Seems a little weird. Tap it down. Tap it down. Good top.
Do we have any instructions?
Who reads instructions?
I feel like you should read instructions.
Oh, maybe so. Yeah, that definitely doesn't.
You need to nail it down. Put the nails in. Get the machine in.
Yeah, I think I'll pause the video and maybe read the manufacturer's instructions.
We'll be back.
Put it in. Okay, can you tap that? Tap that. Tap that. Good job. Can you tap for me? That was 3 taps though. Well, I want to do 2. That was 3 again. It's tap, not tap. Can you do 1 tappity tap this way? I said 1 tappity tap, not tap. You let Dad push this one in. You just kind of push the middle in and get in the groove and pop in. You feel it. It's kind of satisfying, like bubble wrap.
And about how many more of these you have to make?
I feel like it's 5 million. Because,
Oh, there were more hiding.
but wait, there's more.
We're at about 5 million.
It's a lot. Okay, sir, can you tap for me? You're giving too many taps. Oh, that was a good tap. temporarily stack the box.
Start from the top.
Okay, so me and Mr. Lane are gonna start stacking the boxes and just get everything ready. Go ahead, buddy. So, stack it. Square it off. Okay. No, you want to drop these in? Look, this how they go. Oh, you're already in there.
And we are always open for advice, so if you have any handy tips or if you see we put something together wrong, leave a comment. We're always about learning. We have no experience with this, but we've been researching
For a long time.
About
a year now.
Lane says at least a year. It's probably been longer, but, you know, kid time.
Lane, you like honey? Honey's your favorite.
Do you have a favorite, honey? No? Just regular honey?
Just regular honey.
Well, that's perfect.
Plain honey and plain.
All right, get the next box. You gotta take the top off.
We had gotten some honey from Savannah Bee Company. And we had got a sunflower honey, and that was delicious. It's all gone. I wish we had gotten a bigger jar.
And wildflower honey.
We did get the wildflower honey.
Big jar of that.
That's also gone.
Yeah, midnight snack.
Everybody eat it.
Everybody eats it, huh?
Yes.
We all love honey.
And then we'll go ahead, we'll do some more research. I know we need to paint it. I need to find out what kind of paint. You gotta paint the box.
Yeah.
I need to find out what paint exactly is the best.
Latex paint will probably be safe from what I read.
Sky blue?
You don't want to use anything that requires a paint thinner because of the toxic fumes. The research of them. Here's your cover, sir.
What about that other piece? With the hole on top?
Our entrance?
No.
Oh, that's pretty sure it's a queen exploder. And that would go in between these. If I read correctly, which I guess I'll spend half of my night reading again.
This is a little hole for one. Is it a hole for?
So,
What is this for?
look,
Is it a little hole for the...
that way the worker bees can just come in there and drop off their honey.
Beautiful.
We want this summer.
Oh, have a pretty description on top. It says, thank you for purchasing telescopic outer cover. We have included a protective cover over the aluminum. Please remove before installation. Rip it off. Christmas morning.
Oh, this is sweet.
Is it better? Is it better than the quail plucker you got for actual Christmas last year?
Oh, this is...
Are you talking about the bag of dog food?
Oh, this is so...
So Amazon accidentally sent us a bag of dog food instead of the quail plucker we ordered. That was a whole fiasco. But we did get an actual quail plucker in the end.
This is so satisfying.
Lane says it's so satisfying.
Now we just have to pick the perfect spot in the yard.
I think we'll put it next to the pigeon aviary.
Aaron's gonna do some more research on everything. I'll probably read the book that came with it. Hopefully that'll have some helpful advice. I'll probably buy more books. Because even though I can look it up online, I have a tendency to like print books and having it handy and accessible. Alright, so last question before I end the video. Lane, can you push over a little bit so I can see that? On a scale of 1 to 10, how hard was it to put the kit together?
I would say a 5.
A 5. It had some instructions, but not all instructions.
The instructions were not in great detail, but they weren't quite as boring as some other instructions.
We did look at the picture in the catalog, too.
I would definitely say quality is a 10. Ease would be a 5.
And like I mentioned earlier, we ordered on Sunday.
Yes.
And we received today on Friday. So quick shipping. And everything came in as it should have. Nothing was broken.
Yeah, it seems pretty nice. Now we just need to paint, find a location, and call our bee guy.
And we're going to call our bee guy. Alright, Lane, you want to tell everybody good night?
Goodbye. Good night. Have a good night.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And share us with your friends. And if you have any helpful advice, leave it in the comments.
He said hi, Miss Verna.
Alright, good night, guys. Bye.